How to use filters and effects on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. Now your For You page appears. At the bottom you can find different options. Tap on this plus icon. Now your camera will open up. Over here you will find this option of effects. Just tap on it. From here you can choose different effects. On the effects option also you will get this option of trending, game, new, hot. All of these are the TikTok effects. You can easily tap on it and use it. Likewise for the filters, just tap on this drop down. And here you can see this option of filters, just tap on it. And from here you can easily tap on different filters and use it. Also you can increase and decrease the filter level. In this way you can easily use effects and filters on your TikTok videos. This was very easy and simple process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to use TikTok filters and effects. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.